What is oatmeal? Oatmeal is a warm, soft food made from oats, and it's most commonly eaten for breakfast. You've probably seen it in a bowl topped with fruit, nuts, or a little cinnamon and sugar. It's super easy to make. Just mix oats with water or milk and heat it up until it thickens. There are a few different types of oats you can use. Steel-cut oats are the least processed and take longer to cook, but they're chewy and hearty. Rolled oats are flattened and cook faster. Then there are instant oats, which cook very quickly. They're great if you're in a hurry. Even though they look different, they all come from the same grain and offer similar health benefits. I'll dive deeper into this later, but first, let's talk about the powerful benefits of oatmeal. 1. Your stomach will feel fuller. Oats are a great source of fiber, which is a carbohydrate that takes time to digest, helping prevent blood sugar spikes. Slowing down digestion means you'll feel full for longer, which helps reduce hunger. Eating fiber-rich foods regularly is a smart way to keep your blood sugar in check and avoid entering the pre-diabetic stage. Incorporating oatmeal into snacks and meals is a great way to stay satisfied and healthy. It may also help eliminate nighttime sugar cravings. According to the USDA, 1 cup of cooked oatmeal contains 4 grams of fiber, which is about 16% of the recommended daily value. 2. You will have softer bowel movements. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This forms a gel-like substance in the gut that helps everything move smoothly. Over time, this adds bulk to your stool and leads to easier bowel movements. Other foods with similar effects include nuts, bananas, and blueberries. That's why your parents always encouraged you to eat whole foods with fiber for good digestive health. 3. Oats are highly nutritious, rich in manganese and vitamin B1. Oats have a strong nutritional profile that supports many essential body functions. One of the key minerals in oats is manganese. Manganese supports bone strength and the formation of connective tissue. It works in sync with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all of which are important in preventing osteoporosis. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is another critical nutrient found in oats. It plays a big role in helping your body generate energy and stay mentally sharp. Here's a breakdown of the nutrients in just half a cup of oats. Manganese, 63.9% of your daily value. Phosphorus, 13.3%. Magnesium, 13.3%. Copper, 17.6%. Iron, 9.4%. Zinc, 13.4%. Folate, 3.2%. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, 15.5%. Vitamin B5, 9.1%. Total calories 154. Now 4. High in antioxidants. Oats are packed with antioxidants which are great for your immune system. They contain a unique group called avenanthromides. These compounds help fight inflammation, which is a major factor behind many chronic illnesses like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Eating oats regularly can reduce inflammation markers in your blood, such as C-reactive protein. Oats may also help calm the immune system's overreaction to stress and pollution, which can support the longevity and health of your internal organs. 5. Oats support heart health. Oats help relax blood vessels by boosting the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure. The high fiber content in oats also helps lower bad LDL cholesterol and keep blood sugar levels stable. It's important to note that heart disease is the #1 cause of death in North America. In 2022 alone, over 702,000 Americans died from it. Supporting your heart helps with daily activities like walking, gardening, or working out, so heart health should always be a top priority. 6. Oats are great for gut health. Oatmeal is a prebiotic food, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut leads to better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. Oats are also known to help protect against colon cancer. People who eat oatmeal daily often enjoy smoother digestion, better gut health, and lower levels of harmful toxins building up in the large intestine. 7. Oats help with weight loss. We already mentioned that oatmeal keeps you feeling full, but that fullness can actually help you lose weight. If you're eating less because you're less hungry, you'll naturally consume fewer calories. Oats delay the time it takes your stomach to empty, thanks to the beta-glucan fiber. This may also increase your body's production of peptide PYY, a hormone that promotes a feeling of fullness. Higher PYY levels have been linked to reduced calorie intake and may help prevent obesity. 8. Promotes skin health. Ever wonder why oatmeal is used in skincare? Because it works. People love using it on their skin because it's gentle, soothing, and really effective, especially for dry, itchy, or irritated skin. The form of oatmeal used in skincare is called colloidal oatmeal, which is finely ground oats that dissolve easily in water. They release natural oils, antioxidants, and beta-glucan that form a protective layer on your skin, locking in moisture and calming inflammation. If you want to try it at home, blend plain oats into a fine powder, add about 103 cups to warm water in the bathtub, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and enjoy the relief. 9. Oatmeal works against stomach cancer. Oatmeal may also play a role in cancer prevention. Its antioxidants, especially avenanthramides, help reduce chronic inflammation. It is one of the root causes of cancer development. In one study, people who consumed 1 to 3 servings of oat products daily for 3 months saw a noticeable reduction in tumor size and quantity. Oat bran is also rich in vitamin E, copper, and selenium, which further support the body in fighting off carcinogens and harmful toxins. 10. Oatmeal lowers cholesterol. This benefit is already well known by many people. It's even printed on oatmeal boxes like Quaker Oats. How does oatmeal lower cholesterol? Oatmeal contains beta-glucan, a special type of fiber that binds to cholesterol-rich bile in the digestive tract and helps eliminate it from the body. This can reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, by up to 15%. LDL cholesterol is linked to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Some researchers argue that oats may even be more effective than statins for certain people. Bonus reason: helps you sleep better. Most people think of oatmeal as a breakfast food, but it can also help you sleep better at night. Oatmeal contains tryptophan, which is an amino acid your body uses to make melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Here's how it works. When it's dark, your body produces melatonin to help you fall asleep. When there's too much light, melatonin production drops. Oatmeal also contains magnesium and calcium, both of which support muscle relaxation and better sleep. So don't be afraid to enjoy a small bowl in the evening. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thanks so much! Be sure to leave a comment, like the video, and hit that subscribe button. I'm still not done. Now here's a simple oatmeal recipe you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, or milk for a creamier texture, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, optional, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, half a banana, sliced a handful of fresh berries, or your favorite fruit, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts or seeds, optional. Instructions: in a medium pot, bring the water or milk and salt to a gentle boil. Add the rolled oats and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the oats are soft and most of the liquid is absorbed, stir in the cinnamon and honey or syrup. Remove from heat and let sit for 1 minute to thicken. Pour into a bowl and top with banana slices, berries, and nuts or seeds. Enjoy your warm, cozy bowl of oatmeal. Which type of oatmeal should you buy? The best type of oatmeal to eat, especially for health, is either steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats. Here's a quick guide. Steel-cut oats are the least processed. They're made by chopping whole oat groats into pieces. They're high in fiber, chewy in texture, and digest slowly. This makes them great for blood sugar control and long-lasting fullness. Old-fashioned rolled oats are steamed and flattened, so they cook faster than steel-cut oats. They retain most of their nutrients and are perfect for a quick, healthy breakfast. Instant oats are the most processed and cook the fastest, but they usually have added sugar and a higher glycemic index, which can cause blood sugar spikes. So, if you're looking for the healthiest option, go with steel-cut oats. But if you want something convenient without giving up too much nutrition, rolled oats are a great choice too. If you made it to the end, comment morning oatmeal so I know who the real ones are. Also, I'm close to 100 subscribers, so every like and comment means a lot. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.